Hello again. I have another RTLO 1819B transmission out. Of course, clutch, rear crankshaft, engine seal and such. But I was gonna put it back in and wanted to replace some fittings for the splitter valve and obviously a range valve. And found a lot of oil inside, which would really travel through your little lines all the way to the stick shift. So just wanted to show you, in order to repair that, you have to take the auxiliary section off, due to the fact that this fork right here and the piston go inside the shift tube. And the fork runs this gear right here, but it sits in the auxiliary section. Therefore, you have to take it apart to reseal it to stop the oil from flowing from the auxiliary valve right here up the line to the range valve and then to your stick shift. So yeah, this one had a lot of oil, and this is necessary work to perform in order to stop that oil from traveling up your lines. So in this case, transmission was out. We're gonna do that, but just FYI. Thanks for watching.